I use Claude Code every day. I'm a vibe coder professionally. I work with a financial company that sells stock market type of products. Um, so what we're going to do is we're going to start a whole new, want to build out a whole new system. I have Stripe and Beehiiv, and I'm gonna show you guys what I can build with this. I want to build a Stripe and Beehiiv integration dashboard that shows how many subscribers and sales I'm getting. I want to add a cron job to this dashboard to update every hour. I have Stripe. I have both API keys. I normally use this. This is VS Code for a lot of my builds, but everyone, this is Claude in a terminal pretty much. VS Code is just a CLI. But you can also use Claude Code, which does the exact same thing if you have the actual desktop app. Boom, so you ask questions. Let's say, what is total succeeded for the active start results that shows new subscribers and what and where in the acquisition source. Yeah. And all this is like you thinking it, and then you let Claude do the coding, but I understand what it's building and I know how to build out a stack if I was to code it myself. But because I have this, it's kind of like a business relationship. That's how I look at it. Some people look at it like they're letting Claude do the work. I just look at it like this is my guy. This is my guy that does the code, and I give him what I want, and he just takes over and he does the job for me. How you want to resolve the SQL conflict? Probably always fetch live. I just needed to actually just lively catch my sales when I catch them. Like I have a bot that I can pull up that does this for me. There's only dash permissions. This can go in fucking auto mode. Just go ahead, bypass permissions, get this shit done. It's not hard to do this. I need to get the API keys. There's no more. It's like this. So this MD file to desktop. I'm gonna drop this in. We'll drop this in. Stripe dashboard. MD file. Boom, and this just builds it. And it's super simple. So again, like I said, I want to be able to come log into a system and be able to see like how many sales I've had. I want to be able to see like overnight. uh I wake up in the morning, look at my dashboard. I might check two or three different dashboards, and eventually what you can do is you can just add on to this dashboard. So like for me, I have different clients, different customers. I may want to track this dashboard for my other client sales as well. So now I can just go to one place, track all my different clients' sales, and now I can track my revenue. Now as a person with multiple people, I don't have to depend on my brain or just being all over the place. I can sit and make my own custom, place that I can see everything. This works in the favor of a lot of people. It works in the favor of someone who has like their own business. It works in the favor of a person who works in a business and they want to advance themselves in a business. You get what I'm saying? You want to learn how to grow the business you work for. So I don't know. Let's say you work in insurance and you're doing emails. You guys are sending out 100 emails and it's taking up a bunch of time. You're having something scanned a bunch of. You can make your own system that would assist you to work faster. Is you can literally make your own system. Let me see, like a security issue. After that, after like you figure out how to use this to your advantage, you start like building shit that makes sense for you or whoever you're working around. Me and three other guys that I work with, we all vibe code all day, every day. One of them is a web designer, one of them is a graphic designer. I'm a paid media buyer. I run ads and track analytics. Another guy's a content creator, and we all use, Claw and AI, OpenClaw, every single day to like successfully advance our companies fast. Like I'm saying, I've been using it for 3 months and have extremely advanced super fast in the corporate world as far as become a valuable asset, being that this does take time to like acquire the how to, but it takes more time to understand how to take science and mix it with business. And so AI is like a science. Once you understand how to mix this with business and you could turn it into revenue, now you're working your fucking brain. Now you're thinking, because a lot of people will use this and not actually be able to make any money doing it, and you find yourself wasting time learning another skill that you won't make no money on. But I'm telling you, you can definitely make money doing this, specifically learning how to vibe code, learning how to just build a custom system with API. There's API for everything nowadays, or there's APIs for everything. Um, and this is killing it. This is about to release like a super nice dashboard for me to open up every day. It has cron jobs, which if you don't know, a cron job is just simply making AI do something automatically at a time schedule on whatever time you set it to do it at. So what I set up is a cron job for it to refresh and update the sales every hour. I might change it to every 3 hours because every hour could be. I'm not expecting it to sell every hour. Okay, so here it goes. This is what the dashboard it made, and this is how much revenue I've made. This is emails. This is the sales where they came from. So boom, new subscribers. It shows me what Google campaign they come from. Google. Let's customize the dashboard with a modern tech sleek look. Up modern. That's all right. So, like now that it's done, it literally just did the job. It literally just made this in 10 minutes. Now I'm able to track my subscribers, my revenue from two different services into my own dashboard. Exactly. See, look, it's changing up everything. It's gonna start. You could watch it do it live, really. Let's see if we can get it to. Okay, boom. So you're gonna see it actually happen live, right? I'll do this, and then I'll put this like this. Let's see if we could catch what it's doing while it's doing it. Boom! Look at that. This is what it looks like. This is what vibe coding is right here. So while I would normally do this, and I understand how this works, and I understand how to grab and code all this into this, that would take me so much time to do that. I don't have to go through that amount of time to do that. When I can think the idea, get it done, create it, have it looking the way I want to, and be done. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. And it's going to go in and continue to do that for everything. It's going to update everything. Now, again, there are some people who need to organize a lot of their data into one place. And so now I have a dashboard that I just built live that shows my Stripe Beehiiv subscribers. Let's open this up all the way. This is a dashboard that now shows my Stripe sales Beehiiv subscribers, refreshes hourly. Just built this in less than 20 minutes. And as you can see, I've generated $12,642 off of an email subscription, all out of Beehiiv, using Claude, because Claude writes the emails as well. So it's not impossible. It did take a lot of thinking. I will say that. I didn't just come up with this overnight.